Reverse hair loss breakthrough. Watch these steps. A micro strand has now been invented. This is a filament like no other in the entire world. This filament is as fine in diameter as one single human hair. Plus, this micro strand filament is completely see-through, meaning completely translucent. Also, this micro strand filament is actually 10 times stronger than any human hair. Next, watch what is done with this micro strand filament to reverse your hair loss. Multiple micro strands are strategically networked together, one micro strand filament at a time, until a micro strand webbing is formed with diamond openings. Here is the actual finished micro strand being held up by the inventor Dino Dondiego. Look closely and notice that this micro strand webbing is translucent, meaning that you see right through it as if nothing is there. Next is how hair growth replication is created. This is a unique apparatus that has a microscopic hook the exact size to only grab one human hair at a time. Remembering, hair grows out of the human scalp, one hair at a time. This unique apparatus is used to feed one human hair at a time onto the translucent microstrand webbing. This, therefore, replicates the same way hair grows out of your head. Now look and notice closely how one of InvisaBlend's trained artists is feeding just one human hair at a time onto this translucent, impossible-to-see microstrand webbing, an exclusive artistic step with elite skills. Here is just one example of just one of many finished microstrands after one human hair at a time has been added. Look closely and notice how you no longer can see the microstrands, but instead you only see single human hairs spread apart, the same way real hair grows out of your scalp. True hair growth replication has been created like no other option in the entire world. Next, your finished microstrand will be blended in between your existing thinning hair areas. Therefore, 100% of all your existing hair is used. The microstrand is in between your existing hairs, giving you full 100% access to your entire scalp. So your entire scalp and all your existing hair will breathe. So your own hair is safe and can grow freely. Also, so you can apply or implement any hair-stimulating treatments if you choose so. Also, so you see and feel nothing at all but your own fuller hair. No other option in the world can be so perfectly natural. Let's now get very critical, which how hair is being blended using this microstrand technology within the very front hairline, the most critical area. Notice how additional hair is being blended in between this person's thinning hair within her very front hairline. Now notice, after the hair has been blended in between this person's existing thinning hair, how total natural the very front hairline is. Here is why this front hairline is 100% totally natural. Remember, the microstrands are translucent, meaning invisible. Plus, remember that only one human hair at a time has been fed onto these microstrands. So when blended in between your thinning hair, it will, in fact, disappear, therefore achieving the most natural look and feel ever possible. Your next step, just schedule a video call to find out your personalized options.